Hello everyone, I'm Ayush Singh Negi and I'm back with another video, and today the video is going to be about how do you use Tasm on Dosbox in Windows 10. So firstly what you need is going to be some software requirements like Dosbox, um, and a x86 emulator with DOS. Um, the other thing that you'll need is obviously Tasm. And we are going to use a variation of Tasm that will help us use a Tasm on DOSBox way much more easier. I have two ways, but I'm going to use the easier way right now. So the first thing that we have to do is basically go on Google, search DOSBox download, and click on the first link. It's dosbox.com/download. And here we have it, the first link, and then you press on the green button. The download will start in 5 seconds, so you wait till the download begins. So you're done with the download. I've downloaded it a couple of times, so yeah. Then you press on the installer. Now what I will do is I will do a new share and show you what's going on the installer. Okay, so here's the installer. We have all the agreements and everything, the license, then it shows what it will install, some of the components, the location, and install. As I've already installed it, I won't need to do that. So I'll just press on cancel. Oh, sorry, my share has stopped as I close the thing. The next thing that we are going to do is basically yeah, we'll go on Google again and we'll type Tasm by Chaitanya Patel, a kind man who has made a version of Tasm that is pretty much incorporated for DOSBox. So Tasm 1.4, Windows 7, Windows 8, 64-bit. This file, you will go here. You will click on download this files. I know the English is a bit iffy, but that's fine. You type all the capture here and just press on download. Okay, I'll just complete it, and you get this. Basically, you get this. So after you get this, you show it in folder. Okay, wait, it's removed from where I have it. So you take it to, I just present something else. I'll show you. Yeah, my file explorer. So as it's visible, create a TASM folder. Not this one. Um, you will get a file like this when you extracted an exe file. You double click on it. I'll just show the wizard. So yeah, you get something like this, which will show the installation wizard. Next, I agree, and it's installed. As soon as you get run, you don't need to run because it won't run anything. Okay, and the wizard has stopped, so I'll have to share my drive again. Okay, so when you're done with that, you go to your C drive, you'll see something called TASM 1.4. Click on it. Now you can see all these folders. These are not relevant to us. All we need is a shortcut of TASM automount manual edit t-link td has been created. So basically what it does is it makes things easier for us. We don't need to mount a particular disk um, to make the TASM thing work. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is click on this and it will open TASM in a DOS box. So I'll just double click on it, and yeah, it'll take me a minute because sorry. Okay, this is lagging. So basically what you have over here is this screen. I hope it's visible. Is it? There's something wrong with this. There's a little lag with my screen. Resume share. I'll stop share 1 second. Go over here. Start screen sharing. Yeah, I hope it's visible now. So yeah, that's the window that opens up. So Power Programming Tool 64-bit by Chaitanya Patel, techapple.net. Um, all the credits goes to this guy. And type power command to perform desired action. Proper command, sorry. So commands are these and the actions. So edit, if you press edit, open MS-DOS editor, Tasm, then compilation, T-link, then perform linking, TD, launch turbo debugger, and exit to exit the Tasm 1.2. So now we'll press edit. So that is going to be EDIT. Press enter. So as you can see, the Dosbox editor is open now. So I'll just open the file which I have made. It's called first.asm. Okay. So the first thing that we write is model small, then dot stack 100h and dot data. And then we enter the data, that is string db. This is my first program, comma dollar dot code main proc var movax at the rate data movds comma ax leadx comma string movah comma 09h int 21h movah comma 4ch int 21h main end p and end main. Then what you do is file, save as, you name it as first.asm. Check the location, it will be C and then TASM. Click on OK, and then what you do is file and exit. Okay, and then you will the next thing what you do is you want to run this app particular as TASM app that you have made. Okay, so what you're gonna do is basically you'll type TASM space first.asm. Okay, then you'll run it. So it's compiled and so showing that with the assembler, it's showing that there is no error and no warnings, and remaining memory is this and passes is 1. The next thing you will do is write t-link first. Okay, make sure the cases are all correct. T-link should be in all caps and then first in small because we made it in small. Then press enter. It will make the link between turbo. It will use the turbo link to link the first program that we have made. The next thing that we are going to do is make the executable ready and use the executable that has been created after t-link. So first dot exe, and when we press this, we'll get whatever data we have stored inside our file. So this is my first program. So as you can see, this is how you execute a normal program inside TASM using Dosbox. So Dosbox prompt or Dosbox editor. So what you're going to do now is basically you don't need to do anything. You just type exit and that's it. So what I will suggest is that go do this basic tutorial, and that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did like it, just put a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell. And in the comment section, also give me some feedback if you want any improvements or any more ideas for videos. I'll surely make those videos for you. If you have any doubts, lay them out in the comment section below. And yeah, that's about it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao, bye bye. See you. And yeah, I love recording these videos, even though it's late at night right now, but I really love recording such videos for you guys. It's really encouraging. I've crossed 50 subscribers, and I really loved how it's been in such less time I've reached this far. So thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll be uploading daily, so stay tuned for the next one tomorrow. Bye bye.